Hey everybody, Rebecca here. Hope y'all are having a great day. Today is 2/19/2025. Time here is roughly 12:09 p.m. I am sitting here in a bright and beautiful Fayetteville. Okay, just kidding. It is 30 degrees out and it says it's snowing. However, I don't see any snow outside yet. I do see some freezing rain. So just keeping an eye on the weather. We are under a weather warning, winter weather warning. So just keeping an eye out on what is going on, and maybe we will or we won't see some fluffy stuff. Anyways, it is supposedly 30 degrees. Anyways, this video has to do with YR4. YR4. It's an asteroid. Yep, you heard that. It's an asteroid. It's the asteroid which I was talking about in my live stream the other day. YR4, and I'm going to say YR24 too many times, but it's 2024 YR4. And this asteroid could hit one of the world's most populated regions, according to new NASA data. NASA released new data that suggests that the 2024 YR4 asteroid would pose a risk to some of the most densely populated regions in the world if it were to hit Earth. So we're going to look over here because these are the areas which I'm seeing listed, which is South America, Africa, the Atlantic Ocean, the Arabian Sea, and South Asia. So cities on this trajectory include Bogota in Colombia, whose metropolitan area is home to over 11.6 million people, the Mumbai metropolitan area in India, which has a population of 18.4 million, and Dhaka in Bangladesh, home to over 23.9 million. The U.S. Space Agency has ratcheted up the asteroid risk of hitting the planet in 2032 to a 3.1% chance, making it the highest asteroid ever. It's the highest asteroid threat ever detected. This is up from 2.3% warning that was given less than 2 weeks ago. NASA revised the risk of the collision towards they revised the risk of the collision upwards after it collected more information about the asteroid's orbit. The European Space Agency estimates the chance at 2.8%, which is a higher threat level than the 2004 Apophis asteroid. It was initially thought it would hit Earth in 2029, but this theory was dismissed with further research. The asteroid 2024 YR4 was discovered on December 27, 2024 by a NASA-funded telescope in Rio Hurtado, Chile, because it had a close approach to the Earth on Christmas, and that's according to NASA Center for NEO Studies, or CNEOS. At the time, scientists said it was hard to predict whether the asteroid would collide with Earth or not. While the exact size of the asteroid can't be confirmed, scientists estimate that it's likely between 40 to 90 millimeters in size, as its largest estimate around the same height as the New York State Statue of Liberty. Scientists rated 2024 YR4 as a 3 out of 10 on the Torino scale, the rubric that CNEOS uses to assess the potential threat level of an asteroid's impact on Earth. No other observed asteroids have a rating above 0, according to CNEOS. So this one had a 3 out of 10. So that's pretty big considering no others have had more than a 0. NASA said its planetary defense blog that several asteroids have risen on the risk list and eventually dropped off as more data has come in, meaning that the asteroid could eventually be classified as a 0 risk. We're hoping for the zero risk, you guys. We're hoping for the zero risk because, you know, they changed it up from 2.3 to 3.1. So it looks like it's getting more and more possible. And my questioning in my brain is, would they really tell us if it was going to hit the planet? Now, you know, panic. Where is everybody going to go? The agency said it will continue to observe the asteroid until April, after which time it will be too far away from the Earth until June of 2028. The risk of collision could either rise or continue to fall during this time. The scientists understand how the Earth will be rotating at the time of impact. The James Webb Space Telescope will determine the asteroid's exact size in March of 2025 to clarify how likely a collision would be to happen. If the threat level rises, emergency responses around the world will be alerted to the impact risk and given support from ESA, Near-Earth Object Coordination Center, they say in a statement. Space agencies could also conduct planetary defense missions. In 2022, NASA's DART mission intentionally collided with a small asteroid, Dimorphos, and successfully changed its orbital path. ESA's launched its HERMA mission in October to return to the DART mission crash site on Dimorphos and gather data. This will be used to help form a planetary defense system against future asteroid threats. You know, all of this reminds me of a movie where they're trying to figure out how to divert the asteroid from hitting the planet. It also reminds me of Revelations. And in Revelations, they do talk about 2 asteroids hitting the planet. Hang on one second. It states in Revelations 8:11, it mentions a meteor named Wormwood that falls to Earth and poisons the water supply. This event is one of the several judgments that occurred during tribulation. The Hebrew word for wormwood is la'ina, which appears 9 times in the Hebrew Bible. In Revelations 8:11-13, a series of judgments occur, including a third of the waters becoming bitter, a third of the sun, moon, and stars turning black, and a third of night and day being without light. Some suggest that the first trumpet in Revelations 8 refers to a meteor shower that precedes a more disastrous event. Other Bible passages that mention stars falling from the heavens include Matthew 24:29 and Isaiah 3:4. In Revelations 21, John describes the destruction of earth and heavens to make way for a new order. So, not saying that this is biblical, of course, just saying that it is written into Scripture that asteroids will hit the planet. And you know, whatever is in God's will happen. Mankind can't divert God's will. So if it's meant to happen, it's going to happen, and there's not a darn thing we're gonna do about it. Anyways, you guys, I'll keep an eye on what's going on in the news as far as this asteroid. We still have plenty of time. It is only 2025, so we have what, 10 years. So, yeah, we just have to keep an eye out, pray about it, and hopefully nothing will happen. Anyways, you guys, I love you. If you'd like to help with this channel, we have a PayPal listed below. Please also like, subscribe, share the video, and help others to get word about this asteroid and any other news that is posted. Thank you, you guys, and have a great, great day.